Now guys, I would like to change this code to the function. So what does it mean? It means that here is input random. It's okay. Here some letters, numbers and special chars. That's okay as well. We took some information from the user, asked him how many letters, numbers and special characters do you want, and that's it. But this I would like to create a function from this code, okay, from this part. So what does it mean? You only create a def, like definition. We call it, for example, password generator, like this, and here will be the semicolon. We have to create a tab like this, okay, and this is our function. But the problem is that we use num letters, num numbers, and num special chars here, correct? Here, here, and here. So it would be better to send there these three numbers like parameters. So it means we will call it whatever you want. It's completely up to you. It can be x, y, z if you want, and x will be num letters, y will be num numbers, z will be num special chars. But it's better to create something better, some better name, like I will call it num let, okay? Here it will be num like numbers, how many numbers, and num char, so it means how many characters, okay? And this goes here, this goes here, and this goes here, okay? So now it's a more general function. So it means anytime we will call the password generator, I mean anytime we will call this function, we need to send there these three things. And here will be, for example, 5. So the 5 will be here, okay? So it means how many letters do you want? So if this will be 5, so it means the 5 will be here. Here will be, for example, 3, so the 3 will be here. Here will be 1, so the 1 will be here, okay? So now if I will call it password generator, do you remember about the function? Very important thing. The first thing is to create a function, and after you have to call it. You have to call the function. So here guys, I will not print it, just return result, okay? So the final value from this function will be the result, so it means the password. So I will print only the password like this. So I will call it password generator, okay? It's our function, this function, and here I need to put there these three things. But what is it in a real life? This is general, so this can be x, y, z. It's up to you guys. So here it will be x, y, z, but we choose these names. So what is num letter in the real life? It's a number how many letters the visitor wants. So it's this num letters, okay? So we have to put it here, num letters. What is this num? It will be num numbers, okay? Num numbers. And the last one, what is num char? It's a num special chars, okay? It goes like this. Perfect. So now it should be okay. So this will return, you can see it here, this will return the password and we will print it, okay? So we will see how many letters. 4, 4, 3. Okay, we got it. Perfect. I like it. So it means if you would like here x, y, and z, so it means that here is x, y, z. Okay, so now it means that x is what? Num letters, y is num numbers, z is num special chars. Okay, don't forget that here when you call the function you have to send there real numbers or real characters. It means real values. Okay, here is only general, so it's up to you how you will call it, and you need to say what will happen with these three variables, or we know that we will call it parameters, with three parameters in here. So where it will be stored, here, here, and here. Okay, so I will change it back because it's a better approach to call it like this. It's here, here, here. Perfect. I will run it again to check it. 5, 5, 5. Ah, we got it. Perfect. So now we were able to change it to the definition, so to the function.